Exercise number 1.5, fourth problem, expand the following. So we have to expand this. They have given 5 bits. So these are 3 bits. Log 1000. For solving this, first we have to take out the factors of 1000. As you already know, this 1000 can be solved with 2 table, 2 table and 5 table. So if you want, you can take out the factors, or else 10 ones are 10, 0, 0, 10 ones are 10, 0, 10 ones are 10. That means 10 cube will give us 1000. So log 1000 can be written as 10 cube. So log 10 cube. We are having one formula, that is log a to the power of n is equals to, in this formula n comes in front side. So n log a. So we can write n log a. N is nothing but the power. So 3 log 10. When there is no base, we can consider the base is 10. For this, we can write 3 log 10 base 10. Why? Because, and for this, we are having one formula. Log a base a is equals to 1. So log a base a. If both the values are same, we can write 1. So 3 into 1. 3 ones are 3. Next is 128 and 625. Let us take out the factors of 128. 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8, 2 3 are 6, 2 2 are 4, 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 16, 2 4 are 8, 2 2 are 2 1 are. So how many 2's we have got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we can write log 2 to the power of 7. For 625, as the last digit is 5, we can do the factors, we can take out the factors with 5 table. 5 ones are 5, 1 left, 5 2's are 10. So 5 5's are 25, 5 2's are 10, 5 5's are 25, 5 5's are 25, 5 1's are 5. So how many 5 we have got? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 to the power of 4. Here I am going to use the formula. The formula is log a by b is equals to log a minus log b. Whenever we see the given values are in fraction, we are going to use the minus sign in between this. So log 2 to the power of 7 minus log 5 to the power of 4. Again, the formula is log a to the power of n. Since we know that log a to the power of n is equals to n log a. So this power comes in front of log. So 7 log 2 minus 4 log 5. So this is the solution. Next, third bit. Here they have not given the numbers, but they have given some variables. So let us solve this in solution. Let us write what is given: log x square y cube z to the power of 4. It is in the formula log a b c. So here log a b c is equals to log a plus log b plus log c. So this is the formula which I am going to use. Log x square plus log y cube plus log z to the power of 4. Now we again write this formula, since log a to the power of n is equals to, n comes in front of log, so n log a. So 2 log x, 3 log y, 4 log z. Fourth problem, last two bits, fourth bit and fifth bit. In the fourth bit, they have given log p square q cube by r to the power of 4. So in solution, let us write log p square q cube by r to the power of 4. If we see, there are many formulas we are going to use. First of all, we will use the formula log a by b is equals to log a minus log b. So log, here a is p square q cube. We can write p square q cube minus log r to the power of 4. Now we are having formula for this one, log a b is equals to log ab is equals to log a plus log b. So log p square plus log q square q cube minus log r to the power of 4. Next, third formula is log a to the power of n. So whenever you see power n is there, so this n comes in front. So n log a. So 2 comes in front of log. So 2 log p plus 3 log q plus, minus 4 log r. Next is log under root of x cube by y square. So this root can be written as, if we are having root a, for this root to get disappear, we can write a to the power of 1 by 2. So root can be written as to the power of 1 by 2. So log x cube by y square whole to the power of 1 by 2. And this 1 by 2 will be get multiplied with 3 as well as 2. So log x to the power of 3 ones are 3 by 2 by y to the power of 2 ones are 2 by 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are. Next, log x to the power of 3 by 2. Here what is left? Y. Now it is in the formula log a by b. Since we know that log a by b is equals to log a minus log b. So we can write log x to the power of 3 by 2 minus log y. We know the third formula, that is log a to the power of n. So n comes in front of log. So 3 by 2 log x minus log y. But this can be written as, if we if we don't cancel this here, then from here we can write the second method, that is this is nothing but a to the power of n. So n comes in front of log. So 1 by 2 is equal into log x to the power of 3 y square. We can use the formula log a by b. Then it becomes 1 by 2 into log x cube minus log y square. Next, the formula is log a to the power of n. So 3 comes in front and 2 comes in front. So 1 by 2, 3 log x minus 2 log y. 3 ones are 3 by 2 log x. 1 twos are 2 by 2 log y. This 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. That gives us 3 by 2 log x minus log y.